Hello MG fam! Welcome back to MG Collectibles and Toys. Today I'm very excited kasi bakit? This is my favorite superhero, which is Iron Man. And tayo pa lang dito sa Pilipinas ang nakapagpadala nito. It is limited to 100 pieces worldwide. So, let's check it out and do the unboxing. So, there you have it guys, is Robert Downey Jr. out from the box. So, ito yung pang-complete dito sa ano natin sa ating scenery dito sa MG Collectibles and Toy Store. So, from the base, I would just to emphasize, yung base niya medyo magaang lang ng konti, pero okay na rin, it can hold everything, no? So, from the bus itself, yung bus niya, the paint job is very nice and the details are very intricate. Together with this arc reactor ni Iron Man. And syempre doon tayo sa pinaka-special dito sa item na to, which is yung kanyang head sculpt. No, yung head sculpt niya, syempre rooted hair, silicone yung material, no? And glass eyes. So yan, it has a very fine details, pati yung mga wrinkles niya, no? Pati mismo yung ilalim ng ilong, nakita ko may balahibo din . So yun, sobrang ganda talaga. So I am an Iron Man fan, so I'm very much happy with this piece. And syempre, dito na lang siya makikita or mabibili sa MG Collectibles and Toys. So just message us at our social media account, Facebook page, MG Toys and Collectibles, or in our Instagram, MG Collectibles and Toys. So until our next unboxing guys, see you again. Bye-bye!